Still nice. Uh-oh, new warning. Dang this piece of... Flash flood warning. The beautiful chain of weather radios going off.
The National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a flash flood warning for central El Paso County and east central Colorado until 9:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 7:28 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated slow-moving thunderstorms with very heavy rainfall across the warned area. Rainfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour were occurring, with street flooding being reported. This warning includes the city of Colorado Springs. Runoff from this excessive rainfall will cause flash flooding to occur. Some locations that will experience flooding include Colorado Springs and Peterson Air Force Base. Some creeks and streams will be running fast in
Oh, come on.